Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make British-style baked beans. You can enjoy it as a part of the full English breakfast or the topping on the jacket potato. It's very easy to make. Let's get started. I will use navy beans. I soak the beans in water and keep them in the fridge overnight. Add these beans to the pot, add some water and bring to boil. Keep boiling for 10 minutes before turn off the heat and drain away the water. Transfer the beans back to the pot and keep the temperature at medium heat. Add some unsalted chicken broth. Add some ketchup. Tomato paste. A little salt. Black pepper. A little Worcestershire sauce. Some onion powder. Apple cider vinegar. Muscovado sugar or brown sugar. Some garlic powder. Add some water and cover the pot. Keep simmering for 2.5 hours. Check the beans every 30 to 40 minutes. If the fluid is running down, add some fresh water. The last step is to add some corn flour water to the beans. Keep stirring until it thickens. This is the weight of my baked beans. Roughly 2 cans of the market brand the same product. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So my homemade baked beans cost me $1.74 per can. I'm going to enjoy my jacket potato. Thanks for watching my video.